Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video, highly recommended emergency loans for bad credit. You can have that credit score 400, 500, 550. You have 5 collections, 5 late payments, utilization 100%. You could get a loan with these 2 companies right here. Now, I have to tell you, even though it's an upside, there's always a downside when it comes to that APR, right? Now, we're gonna start with the first one. It's ASAP Finance. Yes, you could get this loan, no paperwork. You could get funding. You don't have to provide no job documents. You don't have to worry about none. You don't have to upload no pay stubs, nothing. So I don't care if you out there, you're cutting grass for a living, right? You're getting SSI checks. They will approve you, right? Process is pretty simple. To get it done, you could get funded in exactly 1 day. Variable online loan, emergency loans, installment loans, and personal loans. Now, they do go up to, again, only $300. But there's one thing I want you to see that you got to keep in mind, because for everybody that keeps sending me emails to do videos on emergency money, I need you to see this, right? I don't recommend anybody following my channel to be getting loans like this, right? But it seemed to be popular and people are looking for it. People are saying, hey, I have emergency going on. I need some quick cash. Where can I run to until I get my next paycheck? Right now, let's say this is Monday, right? Your light's ready to get turned off on your house, right? Tomorrow, you need $200. Do I say go ahead and get this money? I still tell you not to do it, but I understand people got to do what they got to do. If you need to pay that $200, and this is where you could go to ASAP Finance to get that money and pay it back Friday, then do what you got to do. But you got to keep in mind that APR is from 391% to 782%. Damn! This is crazy right here. But again, people send me emails every day about doing more videos on these kind of loans, right? But you can go here, and again, ASAP Finance is a company that's been around for a while. So, you know, they work with different lenders. So you might get, even though you're applying with them, you might get 2 or 3 emails from different lenders that will accept you. So, you know, a lot of people don't like that, but you have people that do like that. And remember what I say, no matter what I say, always go over here to Trustpilot, people, and do your own reviews, right? So this is ASAP Finance, and you could go through all the reviews. I'm not gonna sit here and read it, but they do got 4.7 stars out of 5, which is good when it comes to Trustpilot. And if you want to read all the reviews, you could go right down here. You see 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars. And then you got 1 star here. You always gonna have, you know, people that's not happy with the service, but overall I'm seeing 5 stars, which is really good. Again, these people might have need some emergency money, and they ran over to ASAP Finance and got some kind of, you know, they got some quick cash. But you know, this is not something I advise people to go after, because that APR rate is outrageous. And especially, let's say you only need the cash for a week and you can't even pay it back, and now a week turns to 3 weeks, to 30 days, to 60 days. Now $300 might turn into $1,000 or $1,500. So you got to think about that, people. I don't want anybody going into debt chasing these quick cash, because you're not going to need no you know, proof of, you know, any bank statements or any, you know, paperwork from your job or pay stubs, and you know, you don't need anything. You know, this is very catchy, but again, there's a downside of that. I just got to keep that in mind, right? So let's go on to number 2. Number 2 is 15M Finance. This is another company. Now, the difference between 15M Finance and ASAP Finance, now you will have to upload, I got to make that clear, you will have to upload your pay stubs, and you will have to provide your bank statement to show you know, direct deposits and stuff like that. Now you might be saying, do you need to make a certain amount a month? No, they don't care about that. As long as you got a job, you can provide that bank statement, you can provide your pay stubs. They will pretty much get you some funding, and you could get up to $8,000 with them. But again, you got to keep in mind that APR rate will be, again, outrageous. You know, they got a couple loans. They got emergency loans, personal loans, same day loans, payday loans. They got a lot of different options. But if you want the payday loans, these are the only states accepting. You know, a lot of payday loans, they're not accepting in every state. So you'll have to look to see if you're looking for a payday loan. If you're not, if you're just looking for installment loan and stuff like that, you'll pretty much be good. But again, you will have to provide bank statements and your pay stubs to get this loan. But these are two loans you don't have to worry about. No credit check at all, absolutely at all. But again, the downside is the APR rate. If you hold that loan more than a week, you're in trouble. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.